This is part 28 of making an E-Start kit for a YZ250. In my last video, I got some new sweet looking swivels in the mail, and in this video, I'm gonna set up a little test rig to see if they work for this application. So the reason I got these in the first place is because when the cable gets wrapped around my mechanism I'm using and then released, it tends to bind up and flip over on itself. And I was not expecting this when I was designing it, but that's what these are here to solve. So what I did is I found 2 screws, and then I put some washers on them, went to my workbench, found a really nice spot, and then I just screwed it down. Now honestly, my reasoning behind this was I'm just gonna screw it to the table, put the other piece in the vise, and then I'll test it. And while I was doing this, I realized that if I started the motor right now, I would just destroy everything. So I intervened and I put a rubber band there instead, and then I gave it a test, and pretty much immediately snapped the rubber band. So I had to resort to holding it. First I tried just pinching it and that didn't go well. So what I did is I grabbed a drill bit and I threaded it through the hole so I had like a handle to hold on to. And then I started giving it some juice. What I found with this swivel is I think it'll actually work pretty well. Besides the clunkiness of the setup, it did actually do its swiveling job pretty well, which is all I can really ask from it. Now, there will not be this much cable on the end product. I just didn't want to cut the cable.